6:47 right now. We're going to get another check of that weather from Carson Meredith. Another pleasant day, but we should expect, I should say, some rain this week.
Yeah, hopefully not a lot of rain, but you're talking maybe potential for some flooding even.
Yeah, we'll have to keep
in some areas.
Yeah, some areas. We'll have to keep a close eye on that, especially by Thursday. This is one of those situations, unfortunately, where we won't see many breaks in between the rounds of rain, and that's why we're a bit more concerned about the flooding potential this go round. Let's show you what's happening right now, though, on the Way 31 Skycam network. A nice sunrise underway. Temperatures in the mid-30s for many of us, but some of those temperatures are a little bit cooler, like out in Guntersville where it's 33. All in all, just make sure you grab a heavier jacket heading out the door, and especially if you're in a sheltered area or down in those valleys, you might need to get that ice scraper out too. Just for an extra minute or two, we did have some of that frost develop last night thanks to those clear skies and calm winds. So going through the day today, plenty of sunshine, very comfortable temperatures. We've had a nice warm stretch the last couple of days. Well, this is our warmest day. We're heading for the mid-60s this afternoon. Our average high for February 1st is in the mid-50s, so well above average this afternoon. We are dry on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. That will not be the case tomorrow. And as we zoom things out just a little bit, you're not going to see any rain or snow on radar, but what you do see, a lot of winter weather alerts. Those dark blue colors stretching from all the way up in Vermont down to El Paso, Texas. That's a winter storm watch. Those pink colors are winter storm warnings in effect from Kansas City, St. Louis, up towards Chicago, getting close to Detroit and Cleveland, Ohio as well. This is going to be a powerhouse winter storm, bringing significant amounts of snow, significant amounts of ice to our north and west. You're going to be hearing a lot about this storm over the next couple of days, and this storm will impact North Alabama, but we are on the warm side of this system, which means we're just going to see rain, but a lot of it. Let's go through future radar. See those clouds starting to move in by 9 o'clock this evening. First round of rain starts to move in about 24 hours from now. So this time tomorrow morning, we're going to be tracking some of those showers in Muscle Shoals and areas west of I-65 in general. And like I mentioned, we're not going to see many breaks in the rain. In fact, we're going to see several waves over and over and over again, starting Wednesday morning, going all the way through Wednesday night. And then by Thursday afternoon, that's when the cold front finally moves through North Alabama. But right along the front, we do expect a line of heavier thunderstorms, maybe with some gusty winds to go right along that front, go right through North Alabama. I'm not expecting severe weather, but again, gusty winds will be possible. And then as the bulk of the moisture moves out, and once that cold front passes, then we'll have to watch for a potential window for a very brief transition to either a wintry mix or some freezing rain. You can see some indications about that in our southern Tennessee counties Thursday night. I will say I think the bulk of the moisture will move out before the colder air moves in, so we might have a brief window for some wintry mix or freezing rain, but it won't last long enough to cause any significant problems, be it with accumulations or potential travel issues. The main headline is the rain. We're going to see a lot of it. We're talking upwards of 2 to 3 inches starting Wednesday morning going through Thursday night, and with all that rain in about a 36-hour time span, we're going to have to watch for localized flooding, ponding on those roadways, some rises in those creeks and rivers as well. No flood alerts are in effect right now, but that could change. So just check back often on air and online at waytv.com as we continue to watch this very strong storm closely over the next couple of days. 7-day forecast shows those temperatures staying mild through Thursday, but then once that front passes, temperatures are back into the 40s this weekend, and we'll have to also keep a close eye on another system by Sunday.